see, they get smaller as they go into the distance.
Oh, so you're showing some perspective.
And so you're looking from like right in front of the ruts. That's underground. You're about, well, actually, underground goes to right here, so you would be sitting right here. I know the bird's nest is kind of low.
I like how it's snowing in that picture.
Thanks.
It looks like
And
little
then
dots of
that's
light.
a faraway pine.
And what are the orange things in the middle?
The orange things, those are the bird's heads, you silly. And so that's all pretty, and then those are the branches of the trees.
Oh,
And you can
those
see
are the
one
woods.
tree goes up.
So those are the woods. These ones are
What? One tree goes up thicker. Well, one tree goes taller than the other tree. You see, this only goes to here, and then this one goes off the page. And so that's it for this one.